In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily move pictures from Files app to Photos app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's say someone sent you a picture but it was saved in Files and not in your gallery. And now I'm going to show you how we can easily move it from Files to Photos. So guys, first off we need to open up Files app and then we need to hit right here all the time until we head over to Browse page, which is kind of a home page for the Files app. Now here we'll find locations and most likely the photo was saved to the Downloads folder in the iCloud drive or in the On My iPhone directory. So now guys, we need to check if we have Downloads folder here. As you can see, we do not have this folder here. And now I'm going to enter On My iPhone. Here we have Downloads folder. That's where we can find some image here. And now let's say I wanna save it to my iPhone's camera roll. To do that, all we have to do is just open up that image. After that, tap right here at this share button. And that's where we can easily find save image, and once we tap right here, image will be saved to the Photos app, and that's where at Recents we can easily find it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.